Hello everyone, today we are going to make a project which is LEDs in series and parallel. The components required for series connection are 4 LEDs, one 470 ohm resistor, one battery and battery snapper, few connecting wires and a breadboard. First, take an LED. The longer terminal is positive terminal and the shorter terminal is negative terminal. Let's place the LED on the breadboard. We have to connect a second LED in series with the first one. So, we will connect a positive terminal of second LED to the negative terminal of first LED. Similarly, we have to connect third and fourth LED, where the positive terminal of the LED is connected to the negative terminal of previous LED. Now take a 470 ohm resistor. Connect one terminal of resistor to the positive terminal of first LED and connect the another terminal of resistor to the positive rail of the breadboard. Now take a battery snapper. Connect the negative terminal of battery snapper to the negative terminal of last LED and the positive terminal to the positive rail of the breadboard. Now let's connect the battery and you can see all the 4 LEDs are glowing. This is how you can connect the LEDs in series connection. Now we are going to connect the LEDs in parallel connection. The components required for this circuit are 4 LEDs, 4 470 ohm resistor, one battery with battery snapper, few connecting wires and breadboard. Now take an LED and place it on the breadboard. Connect a negative terminal of LED in one of the power rail. Now take a 470 ohm resistor and connect its one terminal to the positive terminal of LED and connect its another terminal to the another power rail. Similarly, we are going to connect the remaining 3 LEDs and 3 resistors as before. Now, we will connect a battery snapper. Connect its positive terminal to the resistor and the negative terminal to the LED's negative terminal. Now, let's connect a battery. As you can see, all the 4 LEDs are glowing. This is how you can make a circuit to connect the LEDs in parallel connection.